Hey, welcome to another video from Skinny Medic. So I have a really cool product for you guys. Something that is cool, has a lot of accessories, is made in America, and I don't think I've reviewed anything like it before. It's the Juggernaut phone case. So I've been carrying this phone case now for a few weeks. They sent me the accessory to use a belt clip and on my plate carrier. So I'll give you some pros and cons about those, but first let's take a look at the case. A little bit closer up. I think you guys are going to like it. Alright, so let's take a look here at the phone case itself. It does not have the plastic shield to make it waterproof, water resistance, things like that. But you could put the little plastic safety shield on your phone and it will still slide through. So I actually prefer that, honestly, because I've had other cases that have the face shield glued in, and over time it is constantly pressing and moving. You end up breaking that, so it loses its water resistance, water shield anyway. So absolutely love this case. It's nice and thick, but not too thick. I'll say that. Like, it gives me a nice grip to hold on to it, but it's not super bulky that's gonna get annoying, okay? I hope that makes sense. That, yes, it does add a little bit to the outside of your phone, but it's not super bulky that's gonna get on your nerves, I promise. Outside here has a little bit of texture here, so if your hands are wet or muddy or whatever, that you can grip your phone nicely. Mrs. Skinny Medic, her thing was this sticker right here. She's like, can you take that off? And I was like, I don't think you can. Because if your phone's riding on the outside of your belt, you see this, but it doesn't bother me. It bothered me, Mrs. Skinny Medic, so figured I'll let you guys know about that one. When you get it, you have this protector on the top here. Pop that off. Your phone slides down in. Nice and tight and secure. This top connection here is going to connect. You still have access to your charger and the speakers that come off here. So if you want to charge it, you can just plug it in here. And then one of the questions got asked on Instagram, could you still use the magnetic charger like for your vehicle or house and like that? And the answer is yes. So you can plug this in, boom, and it works, charging it wirelessly. Overall, I am super happy with this phone case and the accessories that I got. So the plate carrier attachment here, put my hat on backwards because you gotta look super tactical when you're doing all this stuff, of course. But mounts really nice and secure inside the carrier. I'll give you a little bit closer look here in just a minute. But it locks my phone in. There, it's out of the way. If you want to record something, obviously you could if you wanted to. But when something happens and I need to look at my phone, maybe someone's calling, maybe someone's texting, or maybe I have information on my phone that is saved, then I have it right here to look at. When I pull it out of the way, boom. I really like this mount here because it keeps my phone safe. It sees it where it's visible. I don't have to worry about trying to dig for my phone and find it, things like that. So absolutely, I like it. It's got some hook loop here, so if you want to put a patch on there, whatever you want to do, you can do that as well. But I really like this setup right here. All right, so we'll take a little bit closer look here at my carrier. It locks in nicely. I'm not worried about this mount going anywhere. You weave it in, and you kind of have to flex these top pins back. The directions are pretty clear about what's going on there. These things are tight. About pop my fingers a couple of times, getting this to lock in, and then the mount is secure. See these ridges right here? And then the ridges right here. That's gonna lock into our carrier. So it sits in. Nice click pops in, and you can fold it in and out like you want to. This secures your phone super nice. It's not gonna go anywhere. You're getting out of a vehicle, you're running, moving. I feel 100% that my phone is nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. When you go to remove it, it's a nice big click, takes it out. I've done this several times. There's no scratches, nothing like that on my phone case. It's been absolutely perfect. The other accessory they sent was the phone carrier. Now, being honest with you, probably not gonna do this on an everyday carry. It's a little bit bulky for me, but I'll show you in just a minute my belt that I use for search and rescue. Probably will mount it to that because I think it is a very useful option there. But as far as like going to the store, things like that, I don't think I'll use this mount for something like that. Has a nice locking system on the back of the carry here. We'll take a little bit closer look at it. And then your phone locks in there. Nice and secure. It's not going anywhere. I just dropped that on carpet, so no big deal. So this is our phone case here. You can move this belt clip however you want to, if you want to mount it vertically or horizontal on your belt. Either way, also adjustable here, so you can lock your belt into place, and it's nice and secure. So if you're running like this belt here from Blue Alpha Gear, it sets perfectly in place and then locks down and is secure. If you want to run a larger duty belt, then we could take those adjustments out and have the full length here. So now we have a duty belt from Safe Lock Defense. It lays in there. Nice and secure. I've gotten lots of compliments on my phone case, something that I've never really gotten before, like, oh, cool, that's a cool phone case. Not really gotten that, but since I've been carrying the Juggernaut case, lots of positive comments like, man, where'd you get that from? I'd like to get that. So I'll put a link down below if you like this video and you think you want to take a look at it. If you've got other devices that you want to see if they have a case for, absolutely go check them out. They have plenty of cases for other devices, tablets, things like that. You can keep nice and secure. This is a made in the USA product. I figured you guys would be pretty stoked about that, so wanted to bring it to you. Thank you guys for watching. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training.